Welcome to Unleashed Inventory Management Training Academy. In this video, we're diving into the AIM Review tab, a powerful feature that helps you evaluate your inventory performance and make data-driven decisions. The Review tab in AIM is designed to provide an overview of your inventory performance by presenting key insights, metrics, and suggested actions. It helps you identify potential issues, spot opportunities, and take steps to optimize your stock levels. To access the Review tab, navigate to the AIM dashboard in Unleashed and select the Review tab from the menu. This will bring you to a summary of actionable insights tailored to your inventory data. The Review tab consists of several sections that help you quickly assess your inventory status. Review Alerts displays critical notifications about overstocked or understocked items. Actionable Recommendations highlights products requiring immediate attention, such as restocking or discontinuation. Stock Status Overview provides a breakdown of inventory health, including excess stock, slow-moving items, and potential shortages. Inventory Value Insights offers a clear view of your inventory's total value, helping you manage costs and cash flow. The Review tab is an essential tool for inventory management. Here's how you can use it effectively. Adapt your strategy. As demand changes, Review will alert you to recalculate your stock limits to align your stock holding. You can simply recalculate your modeled stock limits against the current rate of demand at the push of a button. Reviewing a forecast will open that forecast, so you can analyze past forecast versus actuals and the future trend lines compared to your forecast demand. Set a schedule. Timing is everything. Set a review time as you plan your inventory. The Review tab will alert you to forecasts and modelling sets that are due to be reviewed, ensuring you keep on top of your most important products. Audit changes. Keep a complete review history of changes that were made, allowing you to see historic settings to analyse what has worked and what can be improved. Customize the Review tab to match your business needs. Apply filters. Narrow down the data by product, category, or warehouse for targeted insights. Sort columns. Organize information by metrics, such as stock value or quantity on hand. Here are some tips to maximize the value of the Review tab. Review regularly. Check the tab frequently to stay updated on inventory performance. Take proactive action. Act on alerts and recommendations promptly to avoid potential issues. Align with business goals. Use insights to support your company's objectives, such as reducing waste or increasing turnover. To start leveraging the Review tab, log into Unleashed and navigate to AIM. Explore the insights, take action, and optimize your inventory management process. For more detailed guidance, visit our support page or contact our support team for assistance.